Worksheet project, creating example 3. Hit Escape and contextual click on the time signature in measure 1. Select 3/4 time from the contextual menu. Select and input a dotted half note on the F ledger line below the treble staff. Input all the notes in the next measure. Use layer 1 for the black notes above the staves, layer 2 for the notes below the staves. Access the Selection tool. Select measure 2 for both staves. Use the Utilities menu, then select Stem Direction Up. Click on the Page Layout icon. Contextual click on System 3 and select Optimize Staff System. Click OK. Optimizing or hiding the stave in 2011 is not necessary. Select the Staff tool. Click on the bottom handle of this staff, or if in 2011, the top handle of this staff, and nudge the system up. Hit Escape and contextual click in the first measure and select Edit Measure Attributes. Select the invisible bar line for the left bar line. You could also select Hide Time if you would like to from here. Click OK. Access the Selection tool. Select all measures in example 3. From the Plugins menu, select Notes, Beams, and Rest Editing, Ledger Lines Hide. The stem on the dotted half note in measure 1 is quite long due to the fact that it is on a lower ledger line. To shorten the stem, select the Special Tools icon. On Windows, this is accessed from the Advanced Tool palette. As you will recall, you can access this by contextual clicking in the tool dock. Click on the Stem Length tool. Click in measure 1 on the top staff. Select the handle and use the down arrow key to reduce the length of the stem. Select the Staff tool. Then select measure 1 for both staves. Contextual click on the highlighted area and select the staff style called Notes Only. The staff style you'll need for measure 2 is not created. Using the Staff tool, contextual click in the staff and select Define Staff Styles. Select New at the top and type in a new name. I called it Top and Bottom Only. In the Items to Display area, deselect Rests and Bar Lines. In the pull-down menu next to Staff, select Other. Here you can create a custom staff. Click on the Custom Staff radio button. Add a staff line above the staff and below the staff by clicking on the small box above and below the staff. Now you have a 7-line staff. Deselect the boxes of each of the 5 lines inside of the top and bottom line to create the staff as shown. Click OK to return to the score. Select these measures, then contextual click in the highlighted area and select the new staff style you created. Click on the Shapes tool. Hold Ctrl or Option and click on the Custom Shape icon. Select the line with an arrow on the right end. Click on Select. Hold Shift before dragging to keep the line straight. Double-click and drag to place the line. If you like, you can move the notes horizontally to make it more challenging for the students to pick the correct answer. Click on the Special Tools icon. Click on the Note Positioning tool. Click in a measure to activate the note handles. Drag the handles above the notes slightly to randomize the placement. Select Layer 2 and move the notes in those layers.